Honestly, this is a journey of 2 years. This is not a journey from just this T20 World Cup. This is a journey, actually, if I think about it, construction of this team, the kind of skills we wanted, the players we wanted, has already actually started. The discussion started when I started in September of 2022, I think, right? Or 21. Sorry, 21. I think that's when these discussions started, these conversations have started, the kind of players we wanted, the build-up, the balance that we wanted in the team. So much of that is 2 years of work. This is not just a work of just this World Cup. I think it culminated in this World Cup, but honestly, just in Australia and then the disappointment of Australia and then the one-day World Cup, there's so much that has gone into it. This feels like a journey of not just 1 month.
Yeah.
It feels like a journey of 2 years, and what we've tried to build, what we've tried to create, it just feels like it's all come together here in a beautiful afternoon in Barbados.
Amazing.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations on the win on the trophy. Rohit spoke about how the team was wanting to do this for a long time for you. Tell us a little about it. The raw emotions must be there within the team today.
Yeah, I'm not usually short of words, but I really have felt really short of words over the last few hours. I just could not be more prouder for this team, the way we've had to fight in difficult situations, and even today I think it was a great testament to the fight in the team to lose 3 wickets in the first 6, to be in the kind of position we were in with 30 balls to go, but we never kept, the boys just kept fighting, they kept believing, and I think it's just a great credit to them, and as a part of the coaching staff and as a member of the coaching staff, I just feel that I feel really grateful because we are getting to enjoy these moments because of what they have done in a pressure situation. So yeah, it was just phenomenal. It's lovely to be a part of a dressing room like this, and I think it's a memory of a lifetime for me. So I'm really thankful and grateful to the team and everyone in the support staff who's made this possible.
राहुल, रोहित बोल रहे थे कि आपको ये यंग जनरेशन के साथ एडजस्ट करने में टाइम लगा, लेकिन आपने वो किया है। वो डिफरेंस क्या होता है? आपने जब क्रिकेट खेली तो डिफरेंस क्या था, अभी के खिलाड़ियों में डिफरेंस क्या है जो आपको संभालना पड़ा?
अलग चीज़ें होती है, अभी आप हर चीज़ पे बात नहीं कर सकते, बट ज़रूर मैं ये कहूँगा कि ये जो आजकल के जो लड़के हैं वो दे फैंटास्टिक टैलेंट है इंडियन क्रिकेट में अभी, एंड जो इन लोगों की एनर्जी है, इन लोगों की कॉन्फिडेंस है, वो एक अलग लेवल की है एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, और मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है और मैं चाहता भी ये भी हूँ कि ये एक जो शुरुआत थी, बहुत दिनों से हम ये खोज रहे थे एक ICC ट्रॉफी, और इस कॉन्फिडेंस को आगे लेके जाके मेरी पूरी उम्मीद है कि आगे जाके इंडियन क्रिकेट बहुत सारी ट्रॉफी जीतेगी अगले 4, 5, 6 सालों में, क्योंकि ये जो बंच ऑफ लड़के हैं इनके पास जो एबिलिटी है, टैलेंट है, इसमें कोई कमी नहीं है। और शायद एक मोमेंट था जैसे हमको फील हो रहा था कि हम बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं, अच्छा क्रिकेट भी खेल रहे हैं, पर वो पड़ाव क्रॉस नहीं कर पा रहे थे, पर आज ये होने के बाद मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि ये लड़के इसको आगे लेके जाके और बहुत सारी ट्रॉफी जीतेंगे।